Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be going over Mrin or Marin software again. And yesterday I made a video because this stock jumped up a ton and it's up a ton again today. Now, as of yesterday night, I predicted that this thing would drop in the morning, and it dropped a little bit. It dropped from $11.50 per share from the time I made my video all the way down to $8.50 per share, which was a very large drop. However, as soon as market opened today, this thing just started running, and it's been running ever since. As we speak, this thing's up 73% on the day, and it's pretty remarkable what's going on. So anyways, guys, if you guys want to join my stock trading and investing Discord, the link is in the description and the pinned comments section. We talk about different stocks every single day. We got some money makers in there, so feel free to join that community. Everyone is welcome, and it's absolutely free, so check out those links below. And guys, leave me that early like if you guys appreciate these constant updates on these different stocks. I enjoy making these videos, so the best way that you can help me out is simply by leaving a like. So thank you guys for that. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, Marin software is trading at $13 per share, and you can just see how fast this stock price is oscillating up and down and up and down. Anyways, you know that this stock is extremely volatile if you watched my video yesterday, and we'll just take a look at the week chart for those who haven't seen it already. So right here on June 23rd, that's when they had news released where they're integrating their software with Instacart, and it immediately saw a price bump from $1.69 all the way to $2.70 the next day. Now, that wasn't the end for this stock. The next day it continued to run into the $3 range. The next day it continued to run into the $6 range, getting all the way up to what it says is $9, but we know it was $11.50. Robinhood charting just kind of sucks, and you can see today it continued its parabolic rise. Now, is this run just because of Instacart integration? No. Not at all. This thing is not trading on fundamentals at all right now. Don't believe anyone that says it is, because it is not. It is running based off of short squeeze and retail mania. And for that reason, it could go up, it could go down, and there are going to be winners and losers. So if you got in early on this stock, congratulate yourself. You made some great money. Consider taking profits, because 640% in a week is not a bad profit if you ask me. So I would definitely be taking profits, and it's hard for me to ever recommend investing in something that is up 600% on the week. So yes, I was wrong about my prediction last night. However, I still believe there is enormous downside risk from the price points that we are at right now, even though the data that we're about to go over is absolutely remarkable. Anyways, getting into some of the Ortex data, this is absolutely remarkable. So just take a quick look at this chart. So on Wednesday, June 23rd, there was only 1% short interest on this stock. Then came along the Instacart deal. The short interest jumped up to about 30%. Then the stock kept running, and as you can see, there was a bit of a squeeze, and the short interest went down to 17% as of last Friday. Well, as of yesterday, this stock absolutely ran like crazy, up 100% yesterday and up 50% on the after hours. And the short interest jumped all the way up to 100% of the free float. Now, if we take a look at today's short interest, it's up another 20%, and there's an estimated short interest percentage of free float of 119%. This stock has a 9.86 million share float, and as you guys can see, 11.73 million shares are currently estimated to be short according to Ortex. With that, the cost to borrow is 114.71%. So the shorts are definitely doubling down. Pretty much every single short has lost money on this stock, because we saw that all of the short interest has accumulated during this trading week. So the shorts are pretty screwed on this stock, especially if the price holds, but the price needs to hold. Now, in my prediction yesterday, I thought the stock price would drop, and what would that do for short interest? Well, that would give shorts more leverage. Now, the stock price has not dropped. It's seen a 70% increase on the day. So what does that give more leverage to? That gives more leverage to the bulls, as the people who shorted yesterday, who accumulated the most short interest of any single day, about 100% of the float was shorted as of yesterday, which is absolutely insane. I have to repeat that again. Absolutely insane. What that means for the bulls is now the shorts are panicking, because every single short, nearly every single short, besides the shorts that got in today at these elevated price levels, are panicking. So to visualize exactly what I'm saying here, this stock has about 120% short interest, and the only shorts that could have possibly made money on this stock are the shorts that got in at this rectangle region. As you can see, the stock price is trading at $12.84 per share. So the only people who could have made money are people who shorted it for more than $12.86 per share, which is not a large portion of people. And as you guys can see, if we keep moving back, it never got to that point before. So all of the people who shorted in any of these price ranges are down on their short investment. So the possibility for a short squeeze is very, very high with this one, just considering that no one, and I'm still scrolling, and this stock was still accumulating short interest in all of these areas. All of these areas until 623. We're on 624 right now. All of these shorts have lost money. So if we go back to the hourly candlesticks, we can get a better picture of what's going on. You can see the box is right here, and look at all of the price action in this whole range, and this is when short interest was definitely accumulating. So if the shareholders do hold this stock and no one dumps a significant portion that can send this thing spiraling the other way, shorts are going to be absolutely screwed, because we have that cost to borrow at 114.71%. So it's not even cheap to short this stock. 120% of the float, which means that there are synthetic shares being shorted currently. It's absolutely remarkable what is going on. And now, I wouldn't encourage anyone to invest in this unless they can take on high risk and they can expect to lose every single penny that they put into this. But currently, the shorts are in a really bad position, especially if the stock price holds. With that being said, we have to take a look at the percentage of this float that's actually held by insiders and institutions. Only 5% of the float is held by insiders, and then 21.45% is held by institutions. So retail definitely does own majority of the float. So a lot of short squeeze potential in this one. Gonna be very interesting to see how this one plays out. I'm going to be watching it closely. I honestly did not think it was going to keep running today, but now the shorts are in a much worse position, so it'll just keep having this spiral effect of a short squeeze. The only real risk I can see is people taking profits on this stock, because this stock has gone on an absolutely enormous run, and while the shorts are screwed and holding is the best thing you can do to screw over shorts, I just think people are going to want to take profits at some point, and this thing having such a low float, it can go down just as fast as it goes up. So there's definitely that risk involved with buying this, and I'm not going to tell you guys to buy or sell, but definitely consider taking profits if you guys are up a lot, because guys, you don't make this type of profits every day in the stock market. It's hard to make large profits, and this thing has run like crazy in the past few days. A lot of weird stuff is going on with this stock, which inevitably brings on high risk. With that being said, high risk, high reward, but also high risk, high losses. So it's up to you and your personal risk tolerance to decide whether or not you want to get in on this stock. I've told you guys the potentials. I've told you guys the risks. It's up to you now to decide what you guys want to do in order to make money on this stock. Subscribe to my channel if you want more money making videos, because we are focused on making money every single day on this channel. So with all that being said, that's about it for the video. Make sure you guys like the video if you haven't already. It's the #1 thing you can do to support someone like me on this platform, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it here to the end, seriously, I highly appreciate it. Put a lot of effort into these videos, and if you watch it to the end, you're an absolute dog, so thank you for that. And always remember, up to $70 if you sign up for public using that link below and deposit at least $1. And yeah, with all that being said, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.